The only problem I have with driving this way home is I can't ignore that brown sign. Thanks guys. Oh, you can even still smell it through the mask. That's great. What is it that you're actually packing?
So this is our honeycomb slab, milk honeycomb.
Nice.
So yeah, it's probably one of my favourite slabs, I reckon.
Yeah?
But I mean, you really can't go wrong with honeycomb, so...
Exactly right.
Yeah.
We might grab one of those and a nut one then, that's cool.
Yeah, all the ones out there are freshly also made today and packed. One of our biggest sellers, so they're definitely, yeah, quite often this one has to be remade.
Brilliant. Everyone's just so friendly here, it's great, I love it. And the selection of chocolates is just outstanding. Might not be as touristy as the chocolate factory on Phillip Island, but this place is nuts, especially when it comes to range of chocolates and lollies. This place is just insane. They even have an oops section. That's crazy. Well, here's the honeycomb slab. And then my other favorite, the milk peanut slab. Nice. And both of those are $8. And the only lollies that I eat, banana lollies. Alright, it's the last sugar stuff that I'll be buying for a while. And there we go. Now we're out with these magical turnstiles. And out the door. Now it would be amiss of me to leave Melba's and not let you know that this is actually the birthplace of the Easter chocolate bilby. I think it was in 1993 that Melba's Chocolates created not the Easter bunny, but the Easter bilby. Whew. All right, well, I know what the peanut slab tastes like. I've actually never had the honeycomb before. So on her recommendation, I will give it a go. Nice bit. Oh dear lordy, I'm in trouble. That is really good. That is really good. Home time. Thank you, Melbas. And thank you for watching. Bye.